Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to talk about the use cases of artificial intelligence. My name is Vishal Jain, and you can reach me on https://symmetrics.io. And I belong to an organization called Symmetrics Consulting Private Limited, based at Gurgaon, India. So, in today's session, we are going to talk about AI use cases by domain, and we are going to talk about transportation, healthcare, and finance domains. So let's start with the AI in transportation. Reliability and safety of an AI system for a critical task need to be trusted. So transportation is very critical task because a lot of lives are depending on the success and failure of the transportation system. Autonomous transportation will be the next experience which physically embodied AI systems, real-time sensing, prediction of traffic, route calculation, self-driving cars are made possible due to the availability of person and population level transportation data, adoption of smartphones, decrease cost and improve accuracy of sensors, and AI module used are artificial neural network, support vector machine, decision tree, genetic algorithms, simulated annealing, ant colony optimizers, bee colony optimization, and fuzzy logic models. So smarter cars. In smarter cars, GPS was introduced in personal vehicle in 2001, but improved significantly due to the widespread adoption of smartphones and amount of location data shared by individuals. AI-based functionality help drivers or completely take over well-defined activities for increased safety and comfort. Current cars can park themselves, perform adaptive cruise control on highways, steer themselves during stop and go traffic, and alert drivers about objects in the blind spot during the lane changing. Vision and radar technology were leveraged to develop pre-collision system that let car autonomously brake when risk of collision is rejected. Deep learning also has been applied to improve automobiles' capacity to detect objects in the environment and recognize sound. Next one is self-driving cars. Driving in a city was considered to be a problem too complex for automation due to factors like pedestrians, heavy traffic, and many unexpected events that can happen outside of car's control. Challenge is to enable the vehicle to move safely in between other vehicles on the road, avoiding obstacles and pedestrians. This ability is developed with the knowledge of artificial intelligence, pattern recognition algorithms, along with the use of sensors and 3D cameras. The autonomous vehicles mainly consist of two components, and they are hardware and software architecture. Hardware architecture includes actuators, moving and control system, sensors, and a computer system. The software component includes navigation module, localization algorithm, an estimate where a vehicle is, and a perception to detect the moving object. On-demand transportation. Uber and Ola have emerged as another application of sensing, connectivity, and artificial intelligence. Use algorithms for matching drivers to passengers by location, suitability, and reputation modeling, that is known as the rating system. Through dynamic pricing, these services ration across by willingness to pay. Dynamic pricing also encouraging an increase in the supply of drivers. And due to technology, these services have become a popular method for transportation in cities. AI in healthcare. AI-based application could improve health outcomes and quality of life for millions of people in coming year. By facing trust issue of doctors, nurse and patient, and policy, regulatory and commercial obstacles. Prime applications include clinical decisions, support patient monitoring and coaching, automated devices to assist in surgery, outpatient care, and management of healthcare systems. Recent success includes mining social media to infer possibility health risk, machine learning to predict patients at risk, and robotics to support surgery. So AI in healthcare, whether AI doctor will eventually replace a human physician in the future. Human physician will not be replaced by machine in the foreseeable future. AI can definitely assist physicians to make better clinical decisions or even replace human judgment in certain function area of healthcare, for example radiology. With the help of AI, the physician could instead supervise process of correlated patterns against the clinical presentation of known diseases, applying her or his experience and intuition to guide the input process and to evaluate the output of the machine intelligence. The later hands-on experience of the physician will remain critical. Next one is keeping well. AI help people stay healthy so that they don't need a doctor, at least not as often. The use of AI and the Internet of Medical Things in consumer health applications is already helping people. They encourage healthier behavior in individuals, help with the priority management of healthy lifestyle, put consumers in control of health and well-being. AI helps healthcare professionals understand the day-to-day patterns and needs of the people they care for. With the understanding, they are able to provide better feedback, guidance, and support for staying healthy. Next is early detection. AI helps in detection of diseases such as cancer more accurately and in early stage. According to American Cancer Society, a high proportion of mammograms yields false result, leading to 1 in 2 healthy women being told that they have cancer. The use of AI is enabling reviews and translation of mammograms 30 times faster than with 99% accuracy, reducing the need for unnecessary biopsies. The proliferation of consumer wearables and other medical devices combined with AI is also being applied to oversee early stage of heart diseases, enable doctors and caregivers to better monitor and detect potentially life-threatening episodes at earlier and more treatable stages. Diagnosis. IBM Watson for Health is keeping healthcare organization apply cognitive technology to unlock vast amount of health data and power diagnosis. Watson can review and store far more medical information. Every medical journal, symptom, and case study of treatment or response around the world exponentially faster than any human. Google's DeepMind Health is working in partnership with clinicians, researchers, and patients to solve real-world healthcare problems. The technology combines machine learning and system neuroscience to build powerful general-purpose learning algorithm into neural network that mimics the human brain. Decision making. Improving improving care requires the alignment of big health data with appropriate and timely decision. Predictive analysis can support clinical decision making and action as well as prioritize administrative tasks. Using pattern recognition to identify patient at risk of developing a condition or seeing it deteriorating due to lifestyle, environmental, genomic and other factor is another area where AI is beginning to take hold in healthcare. Treatment. AI can help clinicians take a more comprehensive approach for disease management, better coordinate care plan, and help patients to better manage and comply with their long-term treatment program. Robots have been used in medicine for more than 30 years. They range from simple laboratory robots to highly complex surgical robots. Robots can either aid a human surgeon or execute operation by themselves. In addition to surgery, they are used in hospitals and labs for repetitive tasks, in rehabilitation, physical therapy, and in support of those with long-term conditions. Next domain is AI in finance. Let us see how AI is helping in the finance sector. Finance has served as several use cases for AI due to high data volume and availability of historical data. Not only help improve customers' experience, decision making processes, and efficiency, but also help reduce the errors. The application analyzes information that varies from customer behavior while interacting various banking touchpoints to data to determine customer creditworthiness. Due to manifold benefits in banking system, leading banks and fintech companies have started investing in machine learning based applications. First one is fraud prevention. Help prevent fraud, money laundering and terror financing. Machine learning algorithms can identify anomalies and raise a flag. Even though there are risks of flag false positive, ability to run and calibrate to new challenges, machine learning can minimize such risk. Anomalies such as large cash withdrawals raise the flag and route them for human intervention. The application can delay the transaction until they are a human manually approve them. The machine learning algorithm checks the transaction details against the thousands of data points and millions of records. If it is to determine whether the attempted activity is suspicious or not. Risk management. Machine learning technology can help in better risk management. They also give business the confidence that the risks have timely identified and addressed with the business defined framework and risk taking appetite. Rating agency Moody's use machine learning and deep learning techniques for credit risk modeling. They use financial data for predicting default risk. A McKinsey report suggests that the time to take credit decision to reduce by at least 25% across portfolio. The credit losses may fall up to 10% due to machine learning and other digital innovations. Trading executions and portfolio management. Several asset managers and trading firms are using machine learning tools to form trading and investment strategies. Trading firms use machine learning tools and data to improve sales. They analyze the past trending behaviors to predict next order. The tool can also analyze the account with increased risk profiles. In portfolio management, artificial intelligence and machine learning tools identify the signal on price movement or volatility from data. This helps generate higher and uncorrelated returns. The model based on deep learning are expected to recognize the changes and adapt to new data automatically. Customer service. The AI technology based systems can improve the customer support system tremendously. Due to ability to access data, recognize patterns, and interpret behavior, machine learning technology can automate the consumer support system that can mimic a human agent. The new solution can help the customers in product selection using previous account activity data. The customer service agent would be able to offset the most appropriate product for the better informed customers without wasting his time. Thank you for your time, and if you have any question and if you have any input, you can contact me on https symmetrics.io. Thanks a lot once again.